NECA IBEW Local 48, leading the electrical industry.
A lot of times when we're working with designers or architects during the planning or design phase, kind of the best case scenario is what they are looking for and what the customer wants. Us having a front end knowledge of what was designed and what the end product is supposed to be really helps us work with the design and the customer's needs and ultimately keep everything on time and on budget.
The planning is very important. You have to react to something, then you're probably going to spend 3 times more time. Time is money. You know, when we do get a job going, they want us to hit the ground running. Let's plan it so that way we can go ahead and have all those things flushed out now during our design, so that way when it comes to installation, we do it one time.
Basically, it's 4D construction. You're able to model this, you're able to schedule it, you're able to tie a schedule against those 3D modeled objects, move them about the project as they would be coming in, build it, sequence it, tie it to that project schedule, identify conflicts. If you need to coordinate with an existing facility that has to stay in operation, you can coordinate that.
Having the knowledge and the skills to make changes during the duration of a project is due in part to our different skill sets on each job, whether it's the project manager that designed the job or the electrician that's working on it, all the way down to the apprentice that's helping the electrician implement all the things that were designed by the project manager. Having the different trades and levels of skills and skill sets within the contractor really allows us to do things on the fly.
Utilizing the Navis model, I think the field is able to get that visual, that picture of what the other trades will be doing. They can look at the Navis model, they can see what's there, and then when the other trades come back in, put in ductwork or what have you, no conflict.
And it's really about communication and collaboration. You can see where the problems are, so that way you can discuss them, overcome them, come up with a different plan before the dirt's even starting to be dug up.
NECA IBEW allowed me to go from doing a standard sales job to learn about the electrical industry, and then you go out onto a job site and learn how everything gets built from point A to point B. From that, Dynalectric allowed me to go from using the tools that I learned to use outside in the field to be able to come into the office.
The NECA IBEW advantage, in my eyes, is the industry best technicians, electricians, skilled labor. And NECA offers continuing education for guys like me and support staff and project managers to keep us really on the forefront of all the changes in technology and kind of the industry best practices. The education that we're offered through NECA, combined with the skills that our IBEW electricians have through all their training, it's really a recipe for success.
This is what the NECA IBEW partnership is all about.